Welcome to iDate Media. In this tutorial, we're going to walk through one of the most powerful tools available to site administrators, membership levels. Whether you want to offer a completely free site, a fully paid site, or anything in between, the membership level system gives you complete control over what your members can and cannot do. Let's dive in. Every membership level is built around a concept called privileges. Privileges are essentially permissions. They define what actions a member with that level is allowed to perform on your site. For example, privileges might include things like sending messages, creating events, or participating in video chat. Here's the key rule. If a member does not have the privilege for a specific action, they will be redirected to your upgrade page, your site's built-in prompt encouraging them to purchase the type. You'll upgrade their membership. This is your primary conversion tool for turning free users into paying members. Now let's go through a demo of what this is going to look like. In the admin dashboard, we're going to find the Monetization menu and click on Membership Levels. Now, before we even touch any paid membership levels, it's important to understand that the iDate Media platform includes a built-in free membership by default. Taking a look at this first box, we see the privileges that currently belong to the free membership. Here's what makes the free membership unique. The free membership automatically receives any privilege that has not been assigned to a paid membership level. Think of it as a catch-all. If you haven't explicitly given a privilege to a paid tier, free members get it automatically. The flip side of that is equally important. The moment you assign a privilege to a paid membership level, that privilege is removed from the free membership. We are going to create some very basic membership levels in the admin panel. They are arranged from left to right, and that order matters. Think of it as a progression. Lower tier memberships go on the left, and higher tier memberships go on the right. If a user is registered for that highest tier, any prompts to upgrade will disappear. We are going to add a membership level. We are going to click Edit Membership Level, and we will call this the Silver tier and change the color accordingly. You could provide a description of what that particular tier consists of, ability to view inbox and events. We can auto-feature members at this level. This second toggle will exempt the membership level from credit costs. Now look for a separate demo that explains how iDate Media leverages credits as an alternative to a monthly fee. Think of it as a pay-to-use capability. Being able to configure which actions cost credits are going to be available by clicking on this hyperlink. We're going to go call out that each paid membership can be offered in up to 4 renewal periods: monthly, quarterly, semi-annually, and annually. When you enable a renewal period for a membership level, you're making that payment option available to your members at checkout. Depending on your connected payment system, billing for that period will happen automatically and recurring. So a monthly member is billed each month, and an annual member is billed on the anniversary of their sign-up. Typically, you could do something like $10 a month, but you would incentivize your members to choose a longer renewal period by providing some sort of discount. So we will enter $100 for an annual renewal. This is where you choose which privileges you are going to assign to that membership level, and we will say View Events and View Inbox, and we will hit Save. We're going to create an additional membership level. We will click Edit that membership level. We are going to now call this the Gold level. This description field is what your customers are going to read, so make it captivating. For this demo, we are keeping it simple and say everything included in silver and the ability to engage in video chat and see who has viewed your profile. And we will price this one out at $20 a month with the annual cost of $200. Remember, membership level privileges do not inherit from lower levels. This might sound like extra work, but it's actually a feature. It gives you complete flexibility. You could, for instance, create a specialty membership that has access to premium photo features but not messaging, regardless of where it sits in the tier order. Let's go ahead and include Start Video Chat. And who viewed me? And hit Save. Now that we have established some membership levels, we are going to jump into this Manage Free Membership view, and we can see that free membership is currently enabled. It shows how many total free users you have, and how many of those members have payment methods, and how many of those don't have payment methods. Let's scroll down first to this Global Free Membership Disable. This button right here will actually disable all free memberships for current and future users. Moving forward, new customers would be required to select a paid membership during the registration process. Now, to show how to individually push members to paid memberships, let's choose the first 2 members. Go ahead and find the destination membership level to decide where you are wanting to assign them. Selected members with payment methods will be charged immediately. Members without saved payment methods will be prompted to upgrade on their next login. Both types of users will receive an email notification of this change. Click the Process Selected Users button. This flag issues occurred because they did not have a payment method immediately processed, so the next time they log in, they will be required to do so. As the CEO of your business, you can determine if you want to keep a free tier indefinitely. A major objective of this free member management page is to transition customers in bulk after a successful sign-up window. There's one other place in the admin settings that we want to call your attention to. Under Monetization, find the Configuration submenu. This is where, with the click of a toggle, you'll be able to enable or disable the credit system. You will also be able to force membership selection during registration. So when enabled, users will be required to select a membership level. This includes the free membership as an option after they log in for the first time while in registration. This setting works independently of credit card collection. You have the trial premium days capability. When a new user registers, they will get the premium experience until the defined allotment of days. Give them a taste of the best you have to offer before putting the decision in their hands to need to upgrade. Set to -1 to disable premium trial access. Note this setting is ignored if users are forced to select a membership level during registration, and then this final toggle credit card collection during registration. So when enabled, users will be required to provide a credit card during the registration process. The card will be securely vaulted for future payments, but not charged immediately. This option is only available when a payment gateway that supports vaulting is enabled and configured. And at the very bottom is where we are able to change the site currency settings. We're going to view the journey to upgrade as our hypothetical customer, Augustus. Yes, we just used the admin panel to attempt to migrate Augustus from the free membership level to the silver membership level. But he didn't have a payment save, so he is still technically on the free plan. The free tier no longer has access to view events. Now Augustus is going to navigate to his customer dashboard, and he sees that he no longer has access to the Who Viewed Me widget. He has a call to action to upgrade. Upon clicking the upgrade button, he is taken to the customer view of the membership levels. He is able to see the different membership levels that have been created and the permissions associated with each membership level. Clicking on the time frame toggle will impact whether he is going to be billed on a recurring monthly basis or annually. After taking a look at what the silver membership has to offer, he moves on to gold. He perceives the value in going with the gold tier due to the additional capabilities he will be able to take advantage of, but is not ready for an annual commitment just yet. So he leaves it on a monthly basis and clicks Get Started. He is going to use his PayPal information and completes the payment. Depending on your niche, you might create a membership level for a completely different type of user. For example, you could allow all members to view and register for events, but you create a membership level that is geared towards event coordinators or matchmakers. This membership level has exclusive rights to creating and administering events. Here are some tips to consider when setting up your pricing strategy. Research competitors in your niche before setting a price. A general dating site competes differently than a niche site Christian dating, senior dating, fitness-focused, etc. Niche sites can often command a premium. Survey your early users if possible. Even a simple poll asking what would you pay per month gives you real data instead of guessing. Don't create too many tiers. More than 4 causes decision fatigue and can actually reduce conversions. Use 3 tiers as a default, for example, silver, gold, platinum. The middle tier is almost always your best seller. People naturally avoid the cheapest and the most expensive, making the middle feel like the smart choice. This is called the decoy effect. Make the top tier feel like a deal, not a ripoff. Price it so the jump from mid to top feels worth it. Extra perks, unlimited messaging, profile boosts, etc. Membership levels will likely not be a setup one time and leave it. You will need to constantly evaluating your pricing model against your expenses and revenue goals. Consulting hours to help you navigate through these decisions can be purchased by reaching out to sales@idatemedia.com.